to fix Instagram Vanish Mode YouTube screenshot keep getting screenshot taken when I didn't solve. So if you are encountering the YouTube screenshot notification in your Instagram Vanish Mode even when you haven't taken a screenshot, here are some steps that you can try to resolve this issue. First of all, launch your Instagram app. Just go for the message or DM section here and launch the one of the chat here, and you have to turn on your Vanish Mode. Once you have turned on your Vanish Mode, just go here and you can screenshot. And here you can see that you took a screenshot by screenshotting. So if you haven't took a screenshot and you see the notification like this, you can close your Instagram app completely and reopen the Instagram app. Also, you can navigate to your device setting or Instagram setting and go for the eye icon. Once you are on your eye icon, you can tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache here, which may be vary slightly depending on your device. You can go for your storage or clear data, which is depending on your device. Also, you have to make sure you have the latest version of your Instagram installed on your device. Check for the update in your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Just navigate to your Google Play Store or Apple Store and tap on the search icon and search for the Instagram. Once you have searched for the Instagram, if there is any update available, you have to tap on the update option to update your app. Sometime restarting your phone to clear any temporary glitches that might be affecting the app. Just click on the power button and go for the reboot or restart option according to your device. Ensure Instagram has the necessary permission. Here, just navigate to your Instagram, long press on your Instagram or go to your eye icon and go for the app permission, and you have to allow the permission on your Instagram. Also, you can reinstall the Instagram and try. Also, if the problem continues, you can try uninstalling and restarting the app, reinstalling the app. If none of this step or you can reach out to the Instagram support center there, which may be able to provide you more specific guidance. By following this step, you should be able to resolve the issue. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.